Hey you guys, welcome to Time to Unwind with your girl Yamika here. So in today's video, we will be discussing how to open a bottle of wine with a knife. So you're sitting at home chilling, might have some girlfriends over or whatever, but guess what? You have a good bottle of wine with no corkscrew. I done got my bottle of wine and my good old glass. Okay, shit, where my corkscrew at? God damn it, I lost my corkscrew. No fear, your girl is here. I'm going to actually take you step by step on how to open a bottle of wine with a knife. So you really don't want to miss this. You really don't want to miss this. Stay tuned, your girl will be right back. Welcome back you guys. First off, disclaimer, y'all be safe. You know we got a knife here. We don't want you cutting your fingers off trying to open a bottle of wine and you be in an emergency room. Be safe when you're trying to open this bottle of wine with a knife. Let's jump right into it. I'm gonna take you step by step on how to open a bottle of wine with a knife. Step 1, grab your knife. Honestly, I recommend using a knife that is sharp enough to pierce the cork. Do not use a dull butter knife. Again, no dull butter knife. Step 2, insert the knife at a 45-degree angle until most of it is inserted into the cork. Like I said, most of it, not all of it, but enough to where it will move the cork without the knife coming out. Step 3, then begin twisting the cork as pushing up with the knife until you get the cork about halfway out. Pay close attention, you guys, and be careful. Do not cut yourself with the knife. Do not cut yourself. Step 4, now take the knife out and insert it in the side of the cork. Use it as a lever to continue getting the rest of the cork out. You may need to continue twisting the bottle or the cork until it's completely out. Step 5, this is something that you're going to enjoy. Pour and serve that drink, honey. Also, perhaps you have broken the cork. That's okay. I recommend using a metal cork bottle stopper to help save the wine as an alternative. And also, it won't spill in your refrigerator if you don't drink all of it. I will leave the link in the description for the ones I recommend. So there you have it, you guys. I gave you the steps. I gave you the tea on how to open a bottle of wine with a knife. And if you're still watching this video, that means you didn't hurt yourself. Kudos to you. Guess what, you guys? It's comment time. What type of wine you like? Is it sweet, dry, semi-sweet? Let your girl know what type of wine you like. Also, if you found value to this video, please like and share. If you would like to shop with your girl or even learn more about One Hope, the link will be in the description. So feel free to click on it and learn more. Until next time, take some time to unwind.